Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm going to show you something I came across today that basically sells for quite a bit of money. Today we'll be using the endura fruit, the endura carrot, which if you add 5 together, you get a nice little bonus that basically pays for anything. So here's me in cooking the endura fruits. Now we're going to show you how much they sell for as soon as this is done. It gives you a temporary boost of 2 full stamina bars and sells for and gives you 15 hearts, which I think is a pretty great deal. But anyways, you find them around the Great Fairy fountains, the endura fruits, the endura carrots that is, and then basically you go ahead and go talk to my favorite woman to sell to here, and these little bad boys sell for 420 a pop. Oh, sorry, 420 a pop, which for 5 endura shrooms is pretty great. Well, I'll catch you guys later, but I think you guys will like this light little rupee bonus for anybody having a hard time getting their rupees. Good luck, guys.